Let's look at revision of high school mathematics past exam papers. We're looking at revision of high school mathematics past exam papers, and we're looking at vectors. And take note, the levels that we're looking at are the ones indicated here. Right? So without wasting time, the teacher has selected the following question. This is question number 18 of November 2014. I will read. The question says the coordinates of A, B, and C are 4, 2, 0, minus 2, and minus 3, 2, respectively. Respectively, what does that mean? This simply means we can safely say these coordinates are for A, this is B, and this is C. Right? And what does the question say? If the question says express as column vectors OA, right? OA. Suddenly there is an O, right? Just take note, O simply means is the origin, and the origin is a what? Is a 0, 0. So our question is 18A part 1. We've been told to calculate vector what? OA, right? OA is a position vector from the origin to A. It's as good as saying our vector is 4, 2, right? You can safely write 4, 2. This one is a position vector. It's very simple. So vector OA is 4, 2. This one, we're not worried. The answer is simple. Whenever you are given a vector which starts with an O, it's as good as writing the coordinates of that letter in column form. Once you do that, you are done. Let's proceed to part 2, which says find minus 2 vector BC, right? This one is simple. Starting point here will be to find vector BC, right? Vector BC is equals to what? This C will subtract this letter here, right? Vector BC is the same as C subtract what? B. And we write coordinates of C in column form. What are the coordinates of C? Take note. The coordinates of C are minus 3, 2 in column form. Then say minus. What are the coordinates of B in column form? 0, minus 2. So let's simplify. What is minus 3 minus 0? We get minus 3. What is 2 minus 2, which is 2 plus 2? We get a what? A 4. We are done. But remember, the question says find what? Negative 2 BC. So the last part we simply say now minus 2 vector BC is equals to minus 2 multiplied by that vector, which we got here. And then if we simplify, what will be our final answer? Our final answer will be, what is minus 2 times minus 3? We get a positive 6. What is minus 2 times 4? We get minus 8. This is the answer. So our vector minus 2 BC will give us this one is our answer. We are done with part 2. Let's proceed to part B of the question. This one, which is question 18B. What does the question say? It's written, find what? This means modulus of BC, or magnitude of BC, or the length of the line BC. This is the meaning of these two lines enclosing the vector. Right? So we can safely say BC is equals to, we use the values that we got when we're looking for vector BC. Remember, vector BC, don't forget, we've calculated vector BC. Vector BC has the following values: minus 3, minus 4. These are the ones that we use. So we can safely say minus 3 squared plus the other value is this 4. We square also the 4. So we take the values on the vector and then we square them all under the square root sign. And then let's try and simplify. What is minus 3 squared? We get 9. What is 4 squared? We get 16. What is 9 plus 16? We get 25. What is the square root of 25? That's a 5. This is the answer. So the magnitude or modulus or length of line BC is 5 units. This is our answer. This is fairly easy. This is how you attempt, how you answer such a given question in an exam. Can you follow the teacher's example and attempt the following questions? Thank you very much. Have a good day.